This is a sacral chakra video for anybody that needs healing, cleansing, purging, cord cutting from their sacral chakra. Cleanse out, clear out any pain, tension, trauma, guilt, shame, regret. Cleanse that out. It was never yours to begin with. Today is a new day. To start new. Fresh, clear. Clear of other people's energies, clear of residual energy. Anything that you may be holding, anything that's blocking you, any animosity or hatred or jealousy anyone's sending towards you. To clear all that out. You don't need it, and you are safe and protected from it. I put up a protective block to block and repel any unwanted energies, any karmics or people coming back into your life that aren't supposed to be there. May they forget you. May any bad or ill energy be blocked or returned. And if they have good intentions but you just don't want them there, may they know just to turn away. You are safe and secure. Your sacral chakra is being shielded. You're safe and loved. Know that you are love at your core. Your own essence is infinite and divine, and nothing can take that away. No experience, no ill will, no betrayal. Nothing anyone does to hurt you can take that away. I call back any fragments, any soul fragments, anything that was shattered or misplaced when you were hurt. Take this time to call back any parts of your soul, any fragments. You're a whole. You're creative, divine being, powerful, and you're protected and safe. Know that you have within you the power to create, manifest, and attract anything you want. Know that you're your own person, and you are enough. Know that you have the right to pursue your dreams, to have pleasure, to have the things that you enjoy, to do the things that you enjoy, to be around the people that you want to have the experiences that you want. Know that this is all a part of you, a part of your soul blueprint, part of your true destination, your highest timeline, part of who you are. All the things that you really want, all the things that are good for you. However you want them. Go in peace and love. You feel this cleansing waterfall over you. And know that today is a new day. Every day is a new day for a new start. You're cleansed, purified, and loved. And you are enough just the way you are. You always were.